Right, it's the following day now, and in fact it's a similar time of day again. It's quite late in the day and I'm cold and it's getting dark and it's kind of time to go home. But I just thought I'd get this off now and we'll put it on the ramp, get the drum off, have a look what's cracking off inside, so then at least we know what parts we've got to order or what we've got to do. So we'll have a look now. I've got my torch charged up as well, which is good news. So we just take this puller apart. It's easy. Now, how are we going to get this off? I need to turn that round. There we go. Brilliant, got it off. Okay, well. Yeah. Here it is. The lining's come off the shoe. Don't know where you can see that. Let's put it down here so it can look a bit better. So, looking at it, basically the lining has come off the brake shoe. So you can see there, that should be bonded to that, or bonded in this case, and it's just come off. So that has been flapping around inside the drum. That's caused the problem. I'll have a look now, see how much they are new. I could glue that back on. I think if I got some arrow dye or something like that, I could just glue that on and I'm sure it'd be okay. But I don't think brake shoes will be particularly expensive, so I may as well buy a set and put them on. So I'll go and price them up, see what's what, and then you'll come back and we'll try and fit them and see how we get on with that. Okie dokie, bye.